So this was a case study of an athlete's psychology. The athlete plays golf and played competitively throughout high school and decided not to play at the collegiate level. He said that he's been playing golf for about 12 years and still occasionally goes out to play a round of golf. Overall, I would say that our athlete had a healthy self-esteem and self-efficacy as he came across as confident in his abilities and knew that mistakes were a part of the game and that you have to move on from them. He stressed that while it can look easy, sport is more than just picking up a club and swinging it. He said you have to consider the distractions, the angles, even everyday things like the wind when you go to play. He also talked about how you have to be attentive to the conditions of the course, as moisture on the greens can change how you putt and what clubs you choose. This reminded me of earlier in the semester when we talked about the broad external facet of Nidifer's attentional model of being aware of the environment in which you perform. He says he often uses visualization. When he starts getting into a rhythm on the course, that it becomes easier for him to play. This is indicative of the flow state. He said that when he was injured, he would go through withdrawal and would wish to get back out as soon as he could, which is something that's common in most athletes. He also stated that he enjoyed positive reinforcement, like hearing "good job" or "great shot." So some of his strengths and weaknesses that I was able to identify through the audio interview was he had a good use of visualization, a good understanding of SMART goals, acknowledging that having a positive mindset is more beneficial than just saying, I'm the best and no one else can do better. Had a good sense of self-esteem and efficacy, is willing to acknowledge that he's going to make mistakes. Some of his weaknesses that I saw was he said that he stated where he struggled to find the motivation to complete sport-specific activities at times. He said he struggles with stress and closing out in tournaments when he gets behind. Stated that once he left the flow state, he can be a little shaky as he tries too hard to get back into rhythm. Says that he sometimes struggled with time management where he would over-focus on sport and put athlete over personal relationships.